Here is the Samsung Galaxy A14. I know I'm late, but this phone launched here with a bit of delay in my region. On sides, Galaxy A14 printed. Let's unbox it. First, break the seals. And on top of the box, there is print of the model number and the device. And in the box, there is an envelope with the branding of the Samsung. Let's take it out and see what's inside it. As the box is thin, so I guess there is no power adapter. But here we can see we have the USB-C cable and few paperwork. Now let's take a look on the phone. On top of the device, again print of the model number and few features like Infinity V display, triple camera and the fingerprint. Let's skip this boring part and see the device. Oh wow, it's looking really awesome. There are patterns on back which I can feel by rubbing my hand. And the weight is also well managed, which is 201 gram. Triple camera with the flash. And I love this feeling of rubbing my hand over it. The lines are vertical and the phone is a bit thick as you can see. So I turned it on. And next in the box we have no power adapter and the hands free. There is just a SIM ejecting tool. And finally it's booted. The display is good with sharp colors. Although refresh rate is 60Hz, but fine in this budget. And here I have the Galaxy A13 of the last year. Camera bump is looking same, except the Galaxy A14 has big camera islands. And one thing more, the Galaxy A14 has one less camera than its predecessor, which is interesting. Soon I will do the camera comparison to see which one is best in the camera. So for now, let's talk about the key specifications of the Galaxy A14. So I'm going to talk about design a bit more. Its color is silver, but if we take it outside, there is gradient. The light silver on top and a bit of dark silver on the bottom. And definitely it catches fingerprint smudges. So there is one thing that you should note. But indoor you will see no big difference. And this phone is fully plastic. Its back and the frame. And yeah, frame it has volume rockers and the power button on the right side. And this power button also operates as fingerprint sensor, which I'm going to test in few seconds. On the left side we have the SIM tray, and on bottom we have the headphone jack, but it don't come with the hands-free, then the mic, USB-C port and the speaker. On top we have the only noise cancellation mic. And if I test side fingerprint, in my opinion it will be better than the screen fingerprint. But let's look. And after adding the fingerprint, here is the test. And it's not catching this fast. Let's place and hold. And yeah, now it worked. Let's try again. And good this time. But it's not so fast that I was expecting. It don't catch you on the first attempt, and even on the next attempt you need to place your thumb on it for a few seconds to make it work. So not impressed with its fingerprint. And if we see the SIM tray, it can hold dual SIM functionality along with the external storage at the same time, which is good step in this budget. Now let's take a look on the display, which comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD with the resolution of 1080p and 400 pixel density. And I think 400 pixel density is really good in this budget. And the 80% is screen to body ratio. No doubt, colors are really good and sharp, but the refresh rate is 60Hz, so you will need to make compromise on it. And still in 2023, Samsung providing the Infinity U display. I know it's a budget phone, but come on, it's time to upgrade. Chin and the bezels are quite thick and noticeable, which personally I don't like this. And if we jump to the camera, there is triple camera on the back with 50 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel ultra wide and the 2 megapixel macro. Camera quality is decent, really meet the expectations in this budget. And there is no depth sensor, but still it's doing good job. And here is the macro. This time Samsung improved the macro a bit and now resolution is also better. The selfie camera is 13 megapixel and providing good selfies. Soon I will do its complete camera review, so make sure to subscribe my channel to get that video. Performance wise, there is Helio G80 chipset built on the 12nm process, and I have variant of 6GB RAM. But the Samsung Galaxy A14 comes at more price than the other phones which have the Helio G80. And no doubt Helio G80 provides decent performance on a budget phone. So still after unboxing I didn't see any lag. But when I do its gaming test, then I will get the final results. By the way, I have 128 gigs of the storage. Operating system of the Galaxy A14 is Android 13 with One UI 5.1, which is Core. So you will miss out few features. And I saw two message applications, one from Samsung and other from Google. So this time Google is trying to get more integration on One UI. The best part is that you can disable the one application that you don't want. And the battery is the 5000 mAh with the support of 15 watt. And by the way, you will need to arrange the adapter yourself. So this was the unboxing and the quick review of the Samsung Galaxy A14. In my opinion, it's a bit expensive. You can take a look on the Redmi 12C, which also has Helio G80. But what do you say about this device? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.